3 AI chatbots. Same price, same promise, but pick the wrong one and you lose a little every single day. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. They look the same, they cost the same, they all swear they can do anything. So most people grab one at random and marry it for life. That's the mistake. Each one is secretly built for a different job. Using the wrong one is like asking a plumber to do your taxes.
Chapter 1. Same species, different breeds. All 3 are large language models, LLMs, programs trained on absurd amounts of text that learned one trick: predict the next word. You type something in, it chops your text into tokens, tiny word chunks, and runs the math to guess what comes next, then the next, until the answer's done. Predicting the next word. Just very, very well. That's the whole magic trick. Same recipe, different cooks. The difference is training. What they read, what rules they followed, what they got punished for saying. 3 donkeys, same farm, raised by 3 very different farmers.
ChatGPTs from OpenAI, launched 2022, the one that woke everyone up. Biggest user base, Microsoft money. Claude's from Anthropic, ex-OpenAI folks who wanted to build it more carefully. Backed by Amazon and Google. Quiet but strong. Gemini's Google's own. Wired into Gmail, Docs, YouTube, and search. And meet our test case. Donkey wants a side hustle. Custom donkey merch. Shirts, mugs, stickers. And he needs AI help. Let's see who wins what. Chapter 2. ChatGPT, the Generalist. ChatGPT is the everything tool. It writes, codes, analyzes, makes images, talks back with voice, reads your files, browses the web, all in one place. Biggest ecosystem, most plugins, widest reach. For the hustle, it writes the product descriptions, brainstorms the brand name, drafts the launch emails, and makes the logos with its image tool. It's the Swiss Army knife. Rarely the absolute best at any one thing, rarely terrible at anything either. Vibe? Chatty, friendly, a little vanilla. But for sheer do-everything energy, it still leads. Chapter 3. Claude, the writer, and the coder. When the code breaks, this is the one the pros open. Anthropic tuned Claude for 2 things: thinking carefully and not lying confidently. Programmers reach for it when their code breaks. Writers reach for it when they need long, structured, on-tone text. Donkey's website, front end, back end, the whole thing, Claude writes it, and it follows instructions precisely. Say, sarcastic, donkey-themed, no exclamation marks. And it actually does that, while ChatGPT slips in 3 exclamation marks like an excited intern. It also chews through huge documents without losing the thread. Vibe? Polished, calm, a bit literary. Trade-off: smaller ecosystem, no built-in image generation. Chapter 4. Gemini, the Google Insider. Gemini's superpower isn't the model, it's where it lives, inside Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Calendar, YouTube, and Search. If your whole life is already in Google, Gemini's basically wired into your brain. Donkey wants a launch email? Gemini reads his Gmail, finds the contacts, drafts it right there. Needs a budget? It builds the spreadsheet inside Sheets. It'll even watch a 47-minute how-to video and hand him the bullet points in 2. Strong at multimodal too. Images, audio, video, in. Vibe? Direct, a bit corporate. Less vibes, more outputs. Chapter 5. Let's run the matchups. Round 1, code. And it's not close. Among professional developers, Claude keeps getting picked for serious work. Longer, cleaner functions. Follows architecture. Less likely to invent libraries that don't exist. ChatGPT is still strong, especially running code right in the chat for one-offs like convert this CSV. Gemini's solid, but lags on complex coding. For Donkey's website, Claude, no question.
Round 2. Writing.
Closer. ChatGPT writes fast and friendly. Great for captions, social posts, casual emails. Claude writes longer, more structured, holds a tone. Gemini's fine, but a bit committee approved, like a polite cousin at a wedding. Rule of thumb: short and snappy, ChatGPT. Long and structured, Claude. Drafting inside a half-written Google Doc, Gemini.
Chapter 6. The dirty secret. Real talk. They all make stuff up. Confidently. Hallucination. When an AI invents a fact, a quote, or a citation that sounds real but isn't.
Claude hedges more. Says, "I'm not sure," more often. Slightly more honest, sometimes annoying. ChatGPT will sometimes invent confident answers, especially with citations or numbers. Gemini's improved, but still slips, especially summarizing. For marketing fluff, doesn't matter. For claiming your shirts are 100% certified Italian cotton because the AI said so, matters a lot. Always double-check names, numbers, and quotes. Even the smartest donkey checks twice.
Chapter 7. Vibes and what it costs. Same job, different coworkers. ChatGPT is the eager helper. Optimistic, exclamation points, loves a numbered list. Claude is the calm advisor. Measured, pushes back on bad ideas. Writes more like a person. Gemini is the assistant in a suit. Polite, efficient, a little dry. Thinking partner, Claude. Hype man, ChatGPT. Efficient tasks inside Google, Gemini. Money. Personal plans are roughly the same, about $20 a month each. Unlocking the smarter model and more usage. The real question, which do you pay for? Mostly write and code, Claude. Need image generation and voice? ChatGPT. Live inside Google all day? Gemini. Some pay for 2. A few maniacs pay for all 3. Most only need 1. Chapter 8. The ecosystem and the verdict.
The world around the model matters as much as the model. ChatGPT has custom GPTs, personalized bots, a whole marketplace, plus voice, image gen, browsing. Claude has projects, organized workspaces, and artifacts, a panel that builds and previews web pages or code live. Gemini's ecosystem is Google itself. Every Google product is the ecosystem. So the donkey question: where does your work already live? Notion and email, ChatGPT or Claude. Google Docs, Gemini. Honest answer? In 2026, all 3 are good enough, which means the best AI isn't the smartest one on some benchmark. Benchmarks change every 2 months. The best one is the one whose strength matches your job, and the one you'll actually open. Switching costs are low. Trial all 3. Pick the vibe and the ecosystem that fit your real life, and stop chasing headlines.
Quick map before you go.
ChatGPT, the generalist. Ecosystem, images, voice. Claude, the writer and coder. Long text, serious code. Gemini, the Google insider. Gmail, Docs, Sheets, YouTube. Coding, Claude. Pure writing, Claude or ChatGPT. Image and voice, ChatGPT. Already in Google's world, Gemini. Donkey's hustle? He used Claude for the site, ChatGPT for the logos and emails, Gemini for the spreadsheets. Best of all 3. Don't be loyal to a chatbot. They're tools. Use whichever earns its hay. Next time on Donkey AI, the war hiding under all of this. What these models actually cost to run. The AI price war. Tell me in the comments which one's your daily driver. I'll read them. I've got nothing else to do. Oh, I'm a donkey on the internet. See you in the next one.